Hello everyone. Today I am showing you the glimpse of a day of consultant GYN during 24-hour on call. This is the start of the day. It's 8:15 in the morning. The first thing after entering the hospital is visual triage. Okay, I have to wait. There are patients there. Filling of pro forma, hand hygiene, gloves, mask, temperature check. The days of pandemic, COVID-19, safety is first. So I will press the elevator button with the help of tissue paper. Although all surfaces are cleaned by the antiseptic, by a specific protocol by infection control, but still care is important. Upstairs, the most important station in the morning in OB/GYN, labor and delivery rooms. Hand hygiene. I discard the tissue in the proper bin. So I change my shoes. So now time to see the patient. We have a mother in DR. So, and that's good. Her hemoglobin is good. So the next station, endorsement to the level for indoor patients who are admitted.
Oh, thank you.
So you can see the foot marks. So for 5 persons only, this elevator is for 5 persons, not more than that at one time. What happened? Something going on, but not related to me. So let's go for endorsement. So it's here.
Patient will come in the early morning because of corona. Because I bought take home medications for all patients. Any patient wanted to go home, she can take home and go home.
So I have an elective cesarean section scheduled for today, and after that I will go to my clinic. So the cesarean section is already been done. A beautiful healthy baby girl was delivered.
Okay?
So it's time to say hello to mom.
Thank you.
This is recovery area.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah كويس بيبي ما شاء الله. ايش اسم البنت؟ جودي؟ زوج اوكي ان شاء الله. بإذن الله بإذن الله.
Okay, he is perfect. I must misunderstood. She wanted to see the husband and did not name the baby girl yet.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
So it's my clinic.
My phone. So because I have to use it many times during my clinic, and then the receiver, the mouthpiece. Okay, so this is just a precaution because my nurse already have cleaned it, and now I'm ready to receive my patient's calls till 1 p.m. I already cleaned the surface of my phone with alcohol swabs.
Okay, so the day is almost over. Time to take bath, to change the dress and to remove shoes, and time to go home. It's next day 9:15 a.m. So a lot of other things had been done, like calls from ER, no, deliveries in LDR, and cesarean sections, emergency cesarean sections, and other emergency things. So there is another mother on the way to be delivered here. So the same procedure is repeated. Coming downstairs. So the visual triage, again temperature check, hand hygiene, removal of PPE, and I throw the swab in the proper bin. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye.